Are you looking to start a business? With relatively low startup costs and high potential for profit? Consider exploring high-demand, manufacturing business ideas that leverage the power of simple tools and machines. These ventures offer a pathway to entrepreneurship with manageable investments. Let's delve into some exciting and viable options. First, consider the lucrative field of crafting personalized gifts. The demand for unique and customized presents remains consistently high, as people continually seek meaningful and individualistic items for special occasions. Creating custom items like engraved keychains, custom phone cases, personalized mugs, or even bespoke photo albums can be exceptionally profitable. The beauty of this business model lies in its accessibility. Simple tools like a laser engraver, a heat press, or a sublimation printer are often sufficient to get started. You can personalize products with names, dates, quotes, or images, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Next, explore the increasingly popular market for small batch, artisanal soaps or candles. Consumers are drawn to handmade, high-quality products, making this a business with consistent demand. The necessary equipment includes basic mixing tools, molds, and a reliable heating source. This is a fantastic way to establish a business from the comfort of your home. Offering flexibility and creative freedom, experiment with various scents, colors, and ingredients to create unique and appealing products that stand out in the marketplace. Consider offering different sizes, shapes, and packaging options to attract a wider customer base and build your brand. Another promising idea involves manufacturing custom stickers or labels. Virtually every business, from startups to established corporations, requires these essential items for branding, packaging, and promotional purposes. All you truly need is a vinyl cutter and some user-friendly design software. The market for custom stickers and labels is incredibly vast and varied, ranging from promotional materials for local businesses to decorative stickers for personal use. You can offer different sizes, shapes, materials, and finishes to cater to the diverse needs of your clients. Consider producing handmade jewelry. The cost of materials, such as beads, wire, and clasps, is relatively inexpensive, and the required tools are not overly complex. You can create a wide array of necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and other jewelry items using basic tools like pliers, cutters, and beading needles. Focus on unique designs and high-quality craftsmanship to build a loyal customer base and establish your brand in the competitive jewelry market. Explore different styles, from minimalist designs to more intricate and elaborate pieces, to cater to various tastes and preferences. Another compelling option is the creation of custom apparel, like t-shirts, using screen printing or heat transfer techniques. A heat press or a screen printing setup is all you need to bring your creative designs to life. You can design and print unique clothing items, including t-shirts, hoodies, and tote bags, catering to a wide audience. Consider offering custom designs for businesses, events, or individuals, and explore the possibility of creating your own brand of apparel, with unique designs and high-quality materials. Finally, think about producing wooden crafts, such as cutting boards, serving trays, or small furniture items. Simple woodworking tools, such as saws, sanders, and drills, are all you need to embark on this venture. The demand for these handcrafted wooden items is consistently present, as consumers appreciate the natural beauty and durability of wood. Offer a range of products, from practical kitchenware to decorative home accents, and focus on craftsmanship and attention to detail to differentiate your products and attract customers. Consider offering customization options, such as engraving or personalized finishes, to further enhance the appeal of your products.